Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to make TikTok account private. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you would like to make your TikTok account private. In order to do that, you need to open your TikTok application. After that, you're going to see there is a profile icon. You need to click over there. In this upper side, you will see there is a three line. You need to click that three line and then you're going to find there's something, say settings and privacy. After click over setting and privacy, we'll see a screen appear just like this, which is account, and then we're going to find something, say privacy. Now here is something, say private account. With a private account, only user you approve can follow you and watch your video. Your existing follower won't be affected. So that means if you turn on private accounts, so from now if any public person visit my TikTok account, they will not see any content. But whenever even they follow me, after that when I follow back, they can see my content in my TikTok account. So if you decide to make your TikTok account private account, you can simply turn this on. So after turn this on, so it will only affected for the new user, but the existing user will be same. So in this simple way, you can make your TikTok account private. Now if I go back, we'll see in my account now it's appear there writing private account. That means my account now private. Any person outside, any visitor, they will not see any content in my account until I approve them. Now if you decide to make this public, you can again go this three line, click here setting and privacy, click here privacy, and you can easily turn this off, and we will see a pop-up going to be appear, switch to public account. So we're going to click here switch. So within this simple way you can make your TikTok account private. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.